Okay, so here are the ingredients. We have the Napa cabbage, the carrots, gochujara flakes, salt, pear, ginger, green onions, and we also have the all-purpose flour, fish sauce, and the sugar. Next, we have some knives, a strainer, mortar and pestle, some trays, a spoon, and a whisker. Next, we're going to wash the cabbage. Make sure that each leaf gets to be clean. Next, we're going to cut and slice the Napa cabbage. Make sure that it's not too small, and you can decide if you want to cut it if you want, because some people make kimchi without slicing the cabbage. But for us, we decided to do this. Next, we're going to add salt to the sliced Napa cabbages. Make sure that you give it a little massage to make sure that the salt is really soaked up with the cabbage. Then you give it more and more salt. This is a very important and a very vital part of our procedure. And then you put it in a container wherein you can close it. Yeah, add some water, add more salt. Yeah, and you just close it and you let it soak up there for a few hours. Then you can go and proceed to slicing and cutting the other ingredients. Okay, now we're slicing the carrots. We actually forgot to wash it at first, so after we sliced it, we just decided to wash it afterwards. Next, we have the green onions. So just slice it. Next, we're going to put it all together, and now we're cutting and slicing the pear. to add it and combine it with the other ingredients, just like that. Next, we're going to mash the garlic and the ginger. For this one, we used a mortar and pestle to make it much easier. Yep, just mash and mash. Next thing that we're gonna make is the paste. So to make this, we need to combine the water with our all-purpose flour. Yep. Next is we're gonna put on a fire and make sure that you're using whiskers or anything that can mix it all together. Make sure that it's thick. Actually, the thicker the better. Okay, now we're going to make the seasoning. This is the good sugar flakes. Then you add it with sugar. Next, you're gonna add your fish sauce, and then you add your paste. Yep, make sure you get the right amount. Then you just mix it all together. You can try to adjust it. Then you add your veggies. Then you also mix it up along with the seasoning. You give it a little massage like that. Yep. That already looks very yummy. But yeah, you're gonna add your mashed garlic with ginger. And of course, you're going to add the napa cabbage that you soaked with salt earlier. And you also give it a little massage. Just mix it and mix. Alright, like this one. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Yeah, because you're gonna have to use your hands for this one. Next, you're going to transfer the finished product to a container or a closed lid because it's gonna have to ferment. Yep.